Hey guys, so I'm back with another look, and it's this half cut crease kind of a look. It's using the NYX liquid crystal body liner on the front. I didn't want to use too many pigments because I am going to work. But if you're new here, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I would love you to join the family. Hit the share, like, all that good stuff. And if you want to see how I got this look, then just keep on watching. This is the final look, and I love how this turned out. Now, my lips have been on fire. I don't know if you can see how red it's been. I'm just putting some Carmex on the lips because they burn so much. And it's, you know, because of the matte lipsticks and all that, and because it's winter and maybe I need to drink more water. So I wanted to do this simple, not simple, but drugstore kind of a look. And it's using the Wet n Wild. These are their new Not Your Basic Peach and Comfort Zone. So I used the transition colors that it has, and then just the brown, and this is the look. So everything is from this palette. They're numbered in the back, so I'll probably add those numbers, but they don't have like names. But it's using these two palettes, and then I just put some of the NYX Liquid Crystal. I put this color here. It's got a little bit of a shimmer, not much. It's just like your skin tone. And then I just went over it with the NYX Liquid Crystal right over, just to give it a pop of something. As you can see, it isn't like too much because I am going to work, so I didn't want to add on a whole bunch of pigments and stuff. But I think it gives it a little something extra besides just being like a cut crease kind of a smokiness. It gives it something a little bit more. Everything else will be listed down below. I'm not going to put anything on the lips because they just burn. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, share, like, all that good stuff, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.